Welcome back to Cocktail Vlog. I'm Johnny and this is Simple Drinks. Today we're making one easy fruity cocktail. It's called Pink Passion Martini. Like always on this channel, real easy to make. So without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So to make a Pink Passion Martini, we need vodka, passion fruit, some lime juice and some passion fruit. We are going to start by scooping the flesh from the passion fruit inside our shaker. That's it. Followed by vodka, 40 ml, and passion fruit liqueur, 40 ml, followed by 7.5 ml of lime juice. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we need a pre-chilled glass. And we are going to double strain the cocktail into our pre-chilled glass. Garnish with a half of passion fruit. Just drop it in, let it float. That's it, ladies and gents. Pink Passion Martini. Cheers! It's nice, it's refreshing. Fruity doesn't always mean sweet, so this one's more dry, but it's nice, it's really refreshing. Yeah, if you like passion fruit, if you like vodka, this one's amazing. Well, boys and girls, that's it. Pink Passion Martini, real easy to make. Try to make it, let me know in the comments below what you think. This is a real summer drink, real refreshing, so I'm sure you're going to love it. Like always, if you like what you see, please subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.